In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Altrady. So the first thing you have to do, of course, you have to create your account, and when you do that, you'll get the access to your app over here, which is basically your dashboard. Now, the first thing that's important here is that up top it says account, so if you've created your account, you'll be able to see it over here. For me, I just have one paper account over here, but it's going to be sufficient for this tutorial. So how to use this platform, it's actually not that hard. The first thing you have up here, top left, is your dashboard, and then here on the dashboard, you have a bunch of different things. Now here you have the first 6 steps. It's going to prompt you to actually connect your Exchange account. You can then watch the intro videos, you can book group training, etc. So you have a bunch of different features you can go ahead and do over here. And then you'll be able to see your open and closed positions, which we're going to view in just a few seconds because I don't have any ones open right now. And then you can also see your markets, bots, balances, tutorials, etc. And then streams and videos as well. So over here on the left, you then have your trading terminal, where for the first time you enter this, you'll be able to select whatever you want to do. I'm just going to select Binance over here, and on Binance, I'm just going to look for, let's just do Bitcoin over here. So I'm going to do Bitcoin USD. There we go. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to pop up here on the chart. Now, as you can see, you can do your technical analysis. This is a chart powered by TradingView here. You can use just like you use TradingView, so in case you've ever done it, you likely do know how to use it. And then over here, you can go ahead and see a bunch of different things, such as market caps, prices, the 24-hour changes, volumes, and then the account you actually are using right now. You also have layouts, stuff like that. And if you scroll over here on the right-hand side, you can also go ahead and set alerts or start trading. So I have paper trading over here. Let's say I want to buy BTC over here, and let's say I just want to buy a bit of it over here. I can go ahead and do that. If I go to market, I can just go ahead and select however much I want to buy here. So for example, let's say I want to go to market, and then it says spend. You can go ahead and do, for example, 100 USD here, and you can say insufficient balance over here because I don't have any balance on my demo account right now here, but if I would, I'd be able to do that. And then I could go ahead and, of course, take profits, stop losses, etc., and then just place orders over here. So we can do it directly in here with your exchange. Now, when you do that, your orders are going to show over here inside positions on your dashboard, and then you also have the charts. So here inside charts, you could go ahead and again choose markets like we did earlier, and you can select your market. This time, let's just do crypto.com, and I'm just going to click on something random over here. So for example, let's just do, I don't know, this Cardano Bitcoin over here, and it's going to open up a chart, and I could do my charting analysis over here. It's basically TradingView, but here inside Altrady, okay? Which is of course very, very nice because you can do everything in one place. Now here you have your bots. In case you want to play around with bots, you can create your bots over here for live or paper accounts. That's completely up to you. I'm sure there's other tutorials on how to do this. I'm not going to teach you how to actually create a bot right now. Then you have your portfolio here where you can basically view your allocations. You can view your total balance, your one-day changes, your P&Ls, etc., which is also very, very nice to see. It's like a portfolio tracker. You have the Market Explorer where you can see what's currently happening, the Fear and Greed Index. You can see the market cap and volume, the dominance over here, and a bunch of different things. You can see market cap ranking, categories, gainers, losers. Everything is here in one single place. And then you have the puzzles. So in here, basically, you have different quizzes you can take. You could go ahead and basically do different things, do some studying. You could go ahead and have some fun in here as well if you want to. And then you also have the settings, of course, where inside settings, you can see a bunch of different things, set everything according to your account, etc. So of course, everything can be done in here. And then if you need help, click on down here. If you want to download their desktop app, this is also possible here, and you can also expand the menu so it's always like this if you want to. Okay, now up top right, you can again see your balance right now. So if I refresh it, nothing happens, but you can of course do that as well. You can set your display currency over here. You can decide what you want to show and what you want to hide. Here you have your notifications for basis, alerts, trades, and everything, and then the 3 dots at the very top right will allow you to basically again open the settings or set different themes, languages, the header styles, table styles, sounds, etc. Anything can be done, and at the bottom you can then log out. So that's pretty much just quickly how to use Altrady. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.